TESBROS, and today we're going to show you how to remove your vinyl for the exterior and the interior. You may want to take it off, maybe there's a little wear and tear, or maybe you just want to change your color. Whatever it is, we're going to show you how. All you need is a heat gun or hair dryer, 70% isopropyl alcohol, glue gun if you have sticky residue left behind, and a microfiber. For exterior, apply heat to a corner of the wrap. Start peeling it back slowly in a 45-degree angle. As it gets cold and stiff, apply more heat and keep it flexible. But be careful not to use too much heat. It will break. If you use both hands, it will cover a bigger surface area as you pull back, making it less likely to break. Aim to pull it off in one piece. Do not yank the film. This could cause separation from the vinyl and the adhesive. Once the vinyl is completely removed, look for sticky residue that could remain on the car. This most likely happens if the wrap has been on there quite a while. Spray some glue gun on the area and let it sit for a couple minutes. Or you could also spray it on the microfiber if it's not too bad. Wipe down the areas with the isopropyl alcohol. Now you're ready to install a new kit. For interior, it's very similar. Start by pulling off one corner. Apply heat over the entire surface, being extremely careful, as the interior surfaces can be plastic and more sensitive. Pull by getting your hands underneath and pulling towards you. This causes the least amount of tension and helps prevent damages. Once the piece is removed, use isopropyl alcohol and wipe it down. Now you're ready for another color. Keep in mind that if you are removing vinyl from the full vehicle, you may want to ask a professional. You might risk taking off the clear coat or worse, paint. So just make sure you ask a professional before even trying it.